During summer break, when my son does not have any school, he is working and saved some money and took his truck right back to McCoy's in Grove City, Ohio. This time he added the fender flares, rock lights, and the Rough Country Nerf bars. Now Daddy can get in a little bit easier when I'm riding with him. I'm so proud of that boy, 17 years old, working hard, making his own money. Of course, me and his mom helped him out and get the Rough Country lift kit, 7.5 inch. And now he's already paid it all off. Coming from the Amish,